Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start now by preparing everything and melting the chocolate wax. Heat slowly. Use a microwave in 15-20 second bursts or a double boiler until it reaches 45-50 degrees and spreads smoothly. Test a small drop on your wrist to confirm it's warm, not hot. While it melts, trim hair to about 1/4 inch, clean the area, and lay out strips and a spatula. Once the wax is ready, make sure your skin is dry and lightly dusted with talc for better adhesion. You apply the melted chocolate wax smoothly in the direction the hair grows. This ensures the wax grips the root rather than breaking hair. Use the spatula to leave a slightly thicker edge so you can grab it. Press a strip on top and rub 3 firm times to fuse strip and wax. Wait until wax is tacky but set, then hold skin taut and pull the strip quickly back against hair growth, nearly parallel to the skin, to minimize pain and reduce breakage. You finish by calming the skin. Press a cold compress for a minute, then apply aloe or a fragrance-free lotion to reduce redness. Remove any wax residue with a small amount of oil, not rubbing alcohol, so you don't irritate freshly waxed skin. Make sure to avoid hot baths, saunas, and direct sun for 24 hours. If a patch bleeds or the skin is unusually painful, apply pressure and seek medical advice if bleeding continues. Otherwise,
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.